Ever wonder why English has so many verb forms? Dive into the intriguing world of verbs with us. First up, base form, like run or eat. It's the original unaltered version of the verb. Next, past simple, such as ran or ate. It's used for completed actions in the past. Then past participle, think run to runned or eat to eaten. It's used with auxiliary verbs to form perfect tenses. Lastly, present participle, like running or eating. It's used for ongoing actions. Remember, English is a rich, evolving language. Mastering these verb forms is a surefire way to improve your fluency. Keep practicing, and you'll soon be a pro. Until next time, happy learning.
Open on this. Mastering the base form of verbs isn't as daunting as it seems. With a sprinkle of practice and a handful of examples, you'll be navigating the English language like a pro. First, what is a base verb? Simply put, it's the raw, unaltered form of a verb. Think run, eat, sing, or dance. Now, how do you use them? Base verbs are used after auxiliary verbs. For example, in the sentence, he can swim, swim is the base verb used after the auxiliary can. Base verbs also appear after modal verbs such as should, would, could. Like in the sentence, they should arrive soon. Arrive is the base verb following should. See, not so scary, right? Just remember, base verbs are the raw, unaltered form of a verb and are used after auxiliary and modal verbs. Practice makes perfect, so keep these examples in mind as you navigate your linguistic journey. Dive into the realm of English grammar where verbs change forms and tenses dance. Today, we're mastering the past simple form of a verb. In English, regular verbs follow a pattern. Just add ed at the end. So walk becomes walked, talk transforms into talked. But beware irregular verbs, they follow no rules. Go becomes went, see changes to saw. There's no shortcut, just memorize them one by one. Now let's put it to use. Regular verb, she danced all night. Irregular verb, he saw a shooting star. Remember, practice makes perfect. Soak up the language, let the words flow, and soon you'll be a past simple verb master. Until next time, keep exploring the world of English grammar. Catch this quick look at verb past participles. A past participle is a verb form used to express completed actions. For example, in the sentence, the cake was eaten, eaten is the past participle. It's derived from the base verb eat. Consider another, the letter was written. Here, written is the past participle from the verb write. Past participles often end in ed, n, d, t, n, or n. But beware of irregular verbs, like go becomes gone, not goed, or see becomes seen, not seed. Remember, past participles can be used with have, has, and had. For example, she has baked a cake. So next time you're crafting a sentence, keep past participles in mind to give your language that polished finish. Tune in again for more quick grammar notes.
Hello, verb enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of auxiliary verbs. These little powerhouses help us modify the mood, tenses, and voice of other verbs. Picture this. She is running. Here, is the auxiliary verb, helping express continuous action. Now for a twist. She has run. Has is the auxiliary verb, indicating completed action. But wait, there's more. Take she can run. Can is the auxiliary verb, conveying ability. Remember, auxiliary verbs are the secret to adding flavor to your sentences. They're small, but mighty, making your language more dynamic and precise. Join us again for more grammar adventures. Until then, keep practicing and stay curious. Imagine a world where verbs do more than just action, they describe too. Welcome to the realm of present participle verbs. These dynamic words end in ing and serve a dual purpose. For example, the crying baby needs attention. Here, crying is our present participle verb. It tells us the baby's action and also describes the baby's state. Now let's flip the script. Crying the baby. This time, crying is at the start, adding emphasis. Present participle verbs can be movers and shakers, shifting around for effect. Remember these. Versatile ing verbs are not just doers, they're describers. Mastering present participle verbs can elevate your language, making it more vibrant and expressive. So next time you pick up a pen or hit the keyboard, remember the power of present participle verbs.